Another day, another adventure.
Guten Morgen. Excuse me. Today we are doing Cathedral Cove.
That's
Unfortunately, our kayaking and snorkeling experiences have come to a grinding halt due to an easterly that has made the ocean very rough, apparently. But you can apparently do beautiful walks around Cathedral Cove, and we just scored parking, which is kind of rare.
Yeah, hard to come by around here.
Yeah. So off we go.
Yeah, we're in lovely Hahei, and we will show you when we get to Cathedral Cove. Alright, we've just been learning all about Cathedral Cove and the surrounding area. This is called the Te Whanganui Hahei Marine Reserve, which is pretty much all we can see out here. So there's loads of crazy different species that live underwater here. And normally you can do lots of snorkeling like Sarah mentioned. Not today, because of the wind.
It's way too windy. They won't take us, which fair enough.
Hopefully in the summer we can come back.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful. But this is where we're headed down here now, so we'll take you with us. So this where we're standing right now is called Gemstone Bay. It's one of the many bays that are really good for snorkeling. And normally right now, high tide would be prime time to do that. But it's so windy, obviously, like we mentioned. You can see the whitecaps out there, actually. And right here. That would not be fun, would it? No, we don't want to get buffeted, so we'll have to come back, but it's pretty cool in here. And we're just making our way slowly towards Cathedral Cove.
All right, we're just arriving at Stingray Bay, and look at this. That is beautiful. Wowzers. I'm sure we'll get better views a little closer.
I thought that was Cathedral Cove.
I thought so too, which means what is Cathedral Cove gonna treat us with? Because Cathedral Cove is obviously the most popular one.
It's gonna be pretty cool, I think.
All right, so there's a little bit of beach down there, and then rocks here. This beautiful, huge tree. Yeah. Look, there's even some stone steps.
Yes, perfect. Kind of reminds me of the pinnacle.
Yeah. Just have to be careful of walking under some of the cliff tops because of falling rock. Wow, the detail and just the way the cliffs are. They explained how like all those holes are formed. It's just so beautiful and cool. Wowzers. The other thing we have to be careful of is we don't actually know if tide is coming in or going out, so our steps are right there. Yeah, I think we're gonna eat a little snack and then we'll carry on to Cathedral Cove. Wow, want to go in and look at the other side?
Yeah. The water comes up so high, eh? I'm happy that we can walk through here. I thought because it was high tide, we wouldn't be able to. Chickadee, check it out.
Oh, I love this
Okay. How you liking it in here, baby?
It's pretty nice.
It's so cool. Look at this.
It's really cool. It's really like actually cool, the temperature, and just not too busy. People are being just really nice and calm and chill.
Yes, we like that.
Yeah, we actually love, as much as we wish, obviously, that borders are open. We love getting this like little quieter glimpse at New Zealand.
Oh, that kid got wet.
Yeah, I think tide's coming in. Alright, so we're back out of the cave now, and we're just on the beach. And I think tide's definitely coming in because the odd wave is scooping up really close to our feet.
And we're fairly far out. Alright, we've discovered a cool little natural fountain. So all this water right here is fresh water. And it's raining down, and I'm gonna give my flippies a little wash. Oh, getting wet. There we go. Getting after it. Woo! Got some on my forehead too. Pretty cool up in here though. Look at these rocks, unbelievable. Unbelievable scenes, eh Sarah? I'll have to give these a better rinse back home.
Yeah. You can see how small the cave is now too.
The what?
The cave looks a lot smaller from here.
Oh yeah, the cave looks tiny from here. But it looks beautiful. Look at these stair sets. We just keep finding all the stairs, don't we, Sarah?
I mean, New Zealand's just full of hills.
It is.
No two ways about it.
So we're climbing back into the jungle. Yeah, leaving Cathedral Cove beach now, and then we're gonna go up. There's a lookout just up ahead for, I don't know, it says it's an hour return journey, so we'll probably do it a little bit quicker, hopefully. And then we're gonna go to New Chums beach, which is supposed to be one of NZ's top 10 beaches.
Is it really?
Yep.
Wow, maybe we'll make some new chums.
Wow! That would be neat. All right, viewing platform this way. 15-minute return.
That's a lot.
Let's do it, baby. Alright, we're here at almost New Chums Beach. We've been told a variety of different things since we've arrived. We met some young children who told us that we weren't going to make it because we have to walk to that point over there and then cross over. But we just also met a kind woman who told us that we will make it.
She seems less knowledgeable, but
Yeah, knowledgeable enough. So she said that we'd probably be able to do it quickly and then come back and maybe
we just
eat
won't walk the beach.
No.
To play it safe, we'll just go.
Yeah, we'll just go check it, see what it looks like, maybe dip a toe. Ooh. Well, it's supposed to be like one of the most beautiful beaches. We really want to see it. So.
Yeah, Simon was going to take a dip.
Yeah, I still got my swimmer with me in case.
I think that's off the table though.
Maybe. Yeah, I don't think we have time. Anyways, this is where we're heading. Alright, so this is the voyage to New Chums Beach here. Sirach is making money moves. And I am struggling on these rocks. Woo! There's no easy path. You gotta just forge your own here. Oh, wowie!
Made it!
Made it,
Now we
baby!
just have to make it back.
Yeah, that'll be the tough part. But this is the good part. Wowzers! It's nice because it's so secluded. I think that's why it's such a big deal, this beach.
This is a nice beach.
You gotta battle to get in here. But it is gorgeous. massive. Like, it just circles around all the way. Oh, it's so tropical in there. So many ferns and kiwis probably living in there. Maybe not. We drove through a kiwi section on the way here though. That was cool. Didn't see any actual kiwis, but saw a sign that said kiwis next 7 Ks. Didn't mind it. All right, we just made it back to Pearly Whirly. We met a really nice couple from Hamilton that were just, they live down here, or they have a batch. Anyways, kia ora. This is why I feel like slightly bullied in my relationship. Just slightly, not like badly. I don't like go to sleep at night like upset, but I'm like, that was a bummer, you know? Anyways, we made it back. We've had a great day, all together.
Yeah. And now Simon wants me to help him cook dinner for himself.
Yeah, it's true, yeah. It's like 7 o'clock right now. We have to drive like 40 minutes back to where our Airbnb is. I'm gonna have to cook, which is gonna be a long process. It always is with me. I don't know why. But I'm gonna get a beer to celebrate because I got a new job today.
Woo.
And I'm super pumped about it.
We're so proud of you.
Yeah, so yeah, great day overall. Cathedral Cove, new chums. We went on an adventure.
Yeah, we almost didn't make it because we got deterred by the high tide warnings, but we were fine. And there's still lots of time, actually. Yeah. We like ran, but it's okay.
Yeah, made the most of it, but definitely recommend. Bit of a tricky walk over there. There's a lot of rocks, but overall, definitely worth it. So if you're ever in New Zealand, want to explore the Coromandel, 10 out of 10 recommend New Chums Beach.
And we're gonna sign off for tonight. So
Bon nuit à tous.
Bye.
Bye bye.